Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add calendar in Citymapper app. You can see over here Citymapper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add a calendar, it is actually very simple. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for get me somewhere, get me home. You can simply tap on any of these options. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find various icons over here. You'll be able to find the recent icon. Also, you'll be able to find the save place icon, and you'll be able to find the events icon over here. So simply tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to plan your events. For that, what you have to do is sync Citymapper with calendar. So simply tap on this option, sync with calendar. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to allow the access. So simply tap on this option, allow. Now once you do that, you can see over here your device's calendar will be linked to the Citymapper. So like this, you'll be able to add the calendar. So that is how you add calendar in Citymapper app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.